Hey friends, if you encounter the ERR underscore bad underscore SLL underscore client underscore auth underscore cert error for Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I'll tell you the main culprit behind this problem. The main culprit is bad extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions and then go to manage extensions and turn off any problematic extension or any extension which is not like absolutely genuine. And then if it helps, if it fixes the problem, then remove it permanently. The next solution is to sync date and time. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane. Make sure that all of these buttons are checked. Click on sync now. The next solution is to reset Chrome. Okay, and how would you reset Chrome? Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. And now click on reset settings. Click on restore settings to their original default. Select reset settings. The last solution is to update Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select help. Select about Chrome and it will start checking for issues automatically and update it to the latest build. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.